Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on use data to improve Discord on your account on Discord easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click privacy and safety, and here you will find use data to improve Discord. Just click like this and it will be turned on, and that's how to turn on use data to improve Discord easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.